Right now on the radar in southwest Florida, it's fairly dry. A few showers sitting off the coastline and a few more moving into parts of Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. These are not surviving the trip past I-95. Therefore, they're not going to impact areas along the inland communities of Collier, Glades, or Hendry County. But later on this afternoon, we have a 40% chance of more strong storms developing here with the collision of the sea breeze front. Last couple of days, we've got rock pretty good in the afternoon. Yesterday, Lehigh Acres had reports of nickel-sized hail, and this morning all we're picking up are a few dying showers out over the Gulf. Our temperatures are in the mid to low 70s this morning. Some of the cooler spots on the map, Immokalee, LaBelle, and Palmdale sitting there at 73 to 74. A very light east wind will collide with that sea breeze front again right here along the coastline, and that will spark about a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms here today. High temperature 92, your sunset time coming up at 7:49. To give you an idea what it looks like on the computer model, let's put it into play here this afternoon. By about 6 o'clock, we see those showers and storms go up. They'll drift along the coast. They'll dissipate after midnight. For tomorrow morning, we start off dry. The rain chance lower tomorrow, and most of the storms should be inland south of Lake Okeechobee. But by Wednesday, watch this line developing here. That is the cold front or the moisture tail on the south side of Ida as it moves through the Tennessee Valley and eventually towards the mid-Atlantic. This morning, as of 5 o'clock, the storm center over southwestern Mississippi here about 100 miles south-southwest of Jackson, and the winds are at 60. Notice the drier air beginning to wrap around the western side of the storm. That puts all the rainfall on the east side, and as it moves as a tropical depression and eventually a remnant low, it will dump heavy rainfall and big-time flooding concerns for parts of the eastern seaboard here in the days ahead. This morning, you can see that center over Mississippi right there along I-55 with a tornado watch box in place for parts of the Florida Panhandle, the Gulf Coast of Mississippi, and Alabama. You see within this tornado watch box, the little red boxes pop up. Those are those very fast tornado warnings here. Each one of these distinct rain bands have the possibility of putting down tornadoes this morning. Again, you can see the center, what is left here, this tropical storm moving just to the west of Hattiesburg. As far as what else is out there in the tropics, it is crowded. We have Ida over the southeast, post-tropical Julian. This storm no longer getting advisories as the upper level environment has sheared this one apart. And then we have tropical depression number 10, which is likely to become tropical storm Kate in the days ahead. Off the coast of Africa, we have another wave. The National Hurricane Center is indicating has a strong shot here developing in the next 4 to 5 days, likely to get this storm named Larry as we continue to check them off. Good news about this area off the coast of Cape Hatteras. This one likely to be removed from the map at the 8 o'clock tropical weather outlook. This one does not look to have a very good chance here in the days ahead. And then we focus down towards the northern shore of Panama, off the coastline of Nicaragua and Honduras, a 20% chance of development to the south. Your Inman Marine forecast back here at home. Keep an eye to the sky this afternoon. Really no worries weather-wise. The seas have relaxed 2 to 3 feet after being 4 to 6 over the first half of the weekend. Your 7-day forecast keeps those temperatures in the low 90s. Then Thursday and Friday, that moisture tail from Ida arrives. That'll kick up a better chance of rain and keep our temperatures a little bit cooler there in the upper 80s.